Hello everybody, Dante here, and welcome back to the Dante Report. We have another unboxing to do. Just want to make sure I give a little positive energy here, you know, just spread it all around, you know, these here. I'm just going to set that there. Orange calcite, just get that. All right, now, whoa. First of all, oh, Gaia Provides. Okay, I thought it was them. Let's see. We've got a Gaia Provides body butter. All right, let's put this here. Oh, CBD hemp dog treats. Oh, okay, this is perfect. And I have actually a little Yorkie, so he's gonna love this. And let's see, we've got more CBD dog treats here. Okay, all right. And here we go. We have I have a feeling this is a tincture, and nobody likes a tincture like me. All right, hemp CBD tincture, and this is for pets and people. It's non-flavored. All right, cool. All right, I'm gonna put this here. Moving right along, we've got some wonderful, what is this, stickers. And, all right. I'm gonna do this. I'm just gonna do this really quick, so that way I can unwrap this and then I won't be so crowded here. All right. Who are these? Oh. Whoa, these are a bunch of bath bombs? CBD bath bomb, 25 milligram hemp. Oh wow, this is like an assortment. Oh, dun, 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 dun. Oh man. You know, it used to be that when you got like a bunch of bath products, somebody was kind of trying to tell you you're a little funky. But now I think it's just all about self-care and, you know, making sure that you can just, you know, enjoy yourself. And add a little CBD to your bath, can never go wrong. All right, let's see what else is here. Literally like Christmas. All right. An assortment of bath bombs. We've got about, what is this? I want to count, geez. This is awesome. Thank you so much, Gaia Provides. It looks like we have about 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 different bath bombs from Gaia Provides, along with some doggy treats and a tincture that you can use for your dog or you. And then in addition to that, we've got some stickers and a body butter. So let's start over here with the dog treats. Now, one thing that I love about Gaia Provides is that they make sure to take the extra step to communicate with their customer base. They actually contacted me and asked me what kind of dog that I have, and also how much did my dog weigh. So these are actually gonna be great for my Yorkie. My Yorkie is a toy Yorkie, he's like 4 years old, 4 pounds. And also on the back, they have a recommended daily dosage, and they tell you what exactly this is good for. Let's say your dog has arthritis or something like that, you'll be able to see all of that here. I actually was able to research Gaia and look into what they have available. And Gaia actually provides a lot of different products, but it's in a small batch. And also they do their due diligence in making sure that things are tested. Definitely go to the Gaia Provides website to learn more about their products, and then you'll get everything you need from there, including lab results from their products. Now moving on, we have this tincture. It's from Gaia Provides. It's a hemp CBD tincture for pets and people. Non-flavored, it's fractionated coconut oil, which is great because when you've got a tincture that actually is alcohol-based, it's not gonna be good for your pets. So tinctures that are actually coconut-based are really actually the way you wanna go. So moving on, this is 600 milligrams of active cannabinoids and 20 milligrams per milliliter. I'm glad that they broke that down because I've gotten some other tinctures where you'll be able to measure out the milliliter within the droplets, but you don't know how many milligrams that actually is. So to know how many milligrams I'm actually ingesting as well is really good. We really appreciate this. And There's actually a batch number here and some more information that is really helpful. Again, Gaia Provides is it's actually a smaller company, and they actually make a lot of things in-house. Well, they make everything in-house, and they're actually based out of Arizona. Now, I want to move on to this body butter. The body butter looks really, really good. It's actually great for joint and muscle aches. So you know that the CBD is really going to be great for your grandma. It's going to be great for your mom. It'll be great for anybody who's dealing with something with joint pain. Let's say you have some issues yourself, you're an athlete, and when you're done working out, or you just, you know, like to feel good. Self-care is really, really crucial, especially in these times. So let's go. And this is called, I don't want to pronounce this wrong, but it's called, it's spelled Nactre. I'm going to say it's called Nactre or Nactre. And it's a body butter. It's plant butter it's a plant butter blend with seaweed extract and hemp extract, all right? This is a 2-ounce container, and it's got about it has 300 milligrams of active cannabinoids. So get into that, all right? Now let's actually get into it and smell it. Oh, it smells great. It's whipped very well. Love nice whipped butter. And I'm gonna get on these hands because, you know, get into that. I'm gonna get this into the cracks of my hands because, you know, that's the danger zone. It's nice and thick, not too runny, which is great because it's a 2-ounce bottle, and you want to make sure that you're getting, you know, the most bang for your buck. Again, Gaia Provides is really a wonderful company because they're so responsive and communicative that if you have any questions or anything that can't be answered on the website, they can definitely be contacted via Instagram. We actually were on live with them today, so I can't wait to actually tell them how much I enjoyed their products. Oh, okay. Now this is a nice smell. My hands smell and feel wonderful. Get into those hands. Get into those hands. Look at that, how they shine. Okay. Oh. So let's get into these bath bombs. We have so many different bath bombs. I'm gonna just jump right into them. All right. So this is a 25 milligram hemp CBD bath bomb. It's honey mesquite and desert honey along with Palo Santo. I have never heard of anything like this. I'm gonna give it a little sniff. I could definitely feel the hints of honey and, smell the sense of honey and Palo Santo. I would love to see how this feels in the bathtub. I cannot wait. And oh, this one is fun. Now this one is it's got like a bright pungent smell, and this one is a sensitive skin with tea tree oil. All right, it's got a tea tree scent. We've got here a blackberry rose. Oh, that smells so good. Ooh, and it's got some of the rose pieces in there. Okay. Now, anybody that knows about roses knows that their frequencies are actually very high. So it's really nice to have a nice rose bomb. I'm gonna use that one for sure. Let's see. This one is Refresh. It's lemongrass. So, I mean, that one's pretty straightforward. All right. Moving on, we've got, let's see, Revitalize with eucalyptus tea tree. These colors are amazing, all right? And again, if you have any other questions about these, you can always reach out to them on Instagram, on, you know, recommended consumption, you know, maybe more about their process if you'd like to know as well. There's a lot here on their labeling, and they do a good job of making sure that you can actually read it easily as well. So I really appreciate that, Gaia. This is a Relax Lavender Bath Bomb, all right? Gaia actually means Mother Earth in Greek mythology. So if you can only imagine what the themes are here, it's all about, you know, giving back to the earth and staying grateful and humble. That's what I got from that. Look at that lavender in there. The lavender, everything in here, each time I pull out one of these bath bombs, it's so pungent. Happy holidays from Gaia. Okay, so this is a holiday bath bomb. Ooh, this is cool. Here we have the hemp CBD bath bomb, Arizona Sunset, agave and wildflower, all right? Now, honestly, I've got to say this and the rose are my favorite like set of colors. It's almost like sand art. And it's a desert flavor, so it's perfect. Perfect. And it's wow. So this is agave and wildflower. Arizona sunset. I just had to take a second like sniff there. That was really good. All of these they're so like distinct, and I don't want to say pungent too much because I mean it's almost like when I catch a scent, I really feel it coming in over me and actually like me really relaxing or feeling whatever it is that they actually want me to feel. So I mean, if you could imagine getting in the bathtub, kind of want to throw all these in there. This is prickly pear, agave, and cactus bloom. I already know this is great. I mean, Gaia Provides is like really like a CBD Bath and Body Works when it comes to these bath bombs. Like this is awesome. Oh, this is nice. I love this. I really do. All right, and this is desert sage. You have to remember, sage clears your energy. So I don't know. I like really love this. I would love to pair this with another one as well, like one that's maybe a little bit more fun as well, and just to see how that would manifest. This is really nice. And then we have monsoon. All right. Okay. Let's just see. Let's just jump on in. Ah, come on. All right, great. That was a little bit more difficult than it needed to be. All right. I made that difficult. Okay, now this scent is more subtle, but I have a really good feeling about this one. This monsoon, it's all about the feeling. It's all about the feeling with this one. This one is a silent one, a silent killer. Wow, that was wonderful. Thank you so much, Gaia Provides. Again, you guys have really given us so much here. We've gotten here from the body butter, and then we move on over. It took us a while to get through all these bath bombs, but man, it was fun. And then we've got our tincture here, again, with the coconut oil base. Gotta love it. And our two different dog treats. I cannot wait for my little man to actually try these out. He's gonna love them. Now, one thing I wanna point out is the extra care that Gaia Provides actually takes with all of their customer bases. We actually got a lovely little pamphlet here with a bunch of different information on the company, and also we've got a bunch of coupons, stickers, and a thank you note. I, for one, really cannot say how much I appreciate Gaia Provides for giving us this pamphlet with stickers, coupons, and other helpful information on their company and what they have to offer. Again, you might have noticed that some of this packaging is a little bit different than some of our other videos. You know, the packaging is actually wonderful, and this is a small business. They were able to package together so many things and send them over to us, and a lot of times, you know, smaller companies are not able to actually just produce and send out things, promotional items, you know, just to anybody. So I just really want to send out a huge thank you to Gaia Provides for sending out all of this merchandise and really spreading the word and understanding and believing in what we're doing and how we're trying to educate people. Gaia Provides really does the extra step in educating and providing more as a small business. And again, here at the Dante Report, we love our small businesses just as much as we love our large businesses. So again, thanks you so much, Gaia Provides. This has been Dante with the Dante Report. And again, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Tell all of your friends. Tell your mother again. Christmas is coming, and remember to smoke weed every day.